Welcome to Greenhaven Organics. In today's video, we'll explore the numerous benefits of organic farming. From improving soil health to promoting biodiversity, organic farming offers a sustainable and healthy alternative to conventional farming methods. Don't forget to subscribe for more organic farming tips and tutorials. So let's get started with the health benefits of organic farming. Organic foods are grown without synthetic pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers. This means they have fewer pesticide residues, which can be harmful to human health. Studies have shown that organic foods often contain higher levels of essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients can help boost your immune system, improve overall health, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. For those with allergies or sensitivities to chemicals, organic foods can be a safer and healthier option. Organic farming practices also ensure that no genetically modified organisms (GMOs) are used, providing a more natural and wholesome food sources. Next, let's discuss the environmental benefits of organic farming. One of the most significant advantages is the improvement of soil health. Organic farming methods such as crop rotation, cover cropping, and the use of organic fertilizers enhance soil structure and fertility. These practices promote biodiversity, encouraging a variety of beneficial organisms like earthworms and microbes that contribute to soil health. Organic farming also helps to conserve water. Healthier soil retains moisture better, reducing the need for frequent irrigation. Moreover, organic farming reduces pollution. Without the use of synthetic chemicals, there's less runoff of harmful substances into waterways, which protects aquatic life and reduces contamination of drinking water sources. Now, let's explore the economic benefits of organic farming. While organic farming can require more labor and management, it often yields premium prices for farmers. Consumers are willing to pay more for organic products due to their perceived health and environmental benefits. By reducing dependency on synthetic inputs, farmers can lower their production costs in the long run. Organic farming practices also support local economies. Buying organic often means supporting small, local farms, which keeps money within the community. Additionally, organic farms tend to be more resilient to climate change. Diverse cropping systems and healthier soils help farms withstand extreme weather events better than conventional monocultures. If you found this overview of the benefits of organic farming helpful, make sure to subscribe to Greenhaven Organics for more in-depth guides and tips on organic farming. Click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, please leave a comment below. See you in the next video.